you back right now. Stop the purse.
Please stop.
Why are you?
I get anxiety.
Why
okay?
are you yelling?
Because I didn't do anything.
Walmart parking lot stopped. It starts as a suspected shoplifting call and quickly uncovers a bigger issue. Officers respond to a theft call. She claims she has a receipt and her boyfriend paid for everything, but the boyfriend is nowhere to be seen, and things escalate when her information is run. Hear the truth.
Anything is the female party.
Ma'am, stop right there. Stop right there.
You couldn't tell me exactly what.
Put the purse on the ground.
Can I ask what's going on? Hi.
Put your hood down.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Were you just in Walmart?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't know. They tried to stop me, and I was like, I have a receipt. I legit had a receipt. So I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on right now, and I don't appreciate this right now. Okay.
Where's the
I gotta go.
No, ma'am, you're not free to leave. You have to
Please, I didn't do anything.
free to leave, ma'am.
What is going on?
Relax. Okay,
No, I'm sorry. I have anxiety. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Just stop getting around me,
Why are we
please.
yelling?
Please stop.
Why are you?
I get anxiety.
Why
okay?
are you yelling?
Because I didn't do anything
We're
wrong.
not yelling at you, are we?
No, but I didn't do anything wrong.
So listen to me. Okay, we have to confirm or dispel that.
Okay.
So you know what that means? So we have to either prove that you did.
I walked.
Can you listen to what I'm saying? You're on body camera right now. I'm not yelling, but you keep yelling over me. I'm trying
Because I have anxiety and depression, and I did nothing wrong. I'm sorry.
Take your hands out of your
I'm
pockets.
sorry. I'm putting this in my bag. No, it's a walkie-talkie. It's a walkie-talkie.
Put your hands on your back right now. Stop the purse. Stop. You're detained right now.
Okay.
Stop resisting. You're going in cuffs. You're going in cuffs. Stop moving. Stop moving. You're being detained right now, okay? You're just detained. Can you stop talking for 2 seconds? Let me explain it to you. Because you're not... Ma'am, you're yelling, and I'm trying to explain it to you nicely.
Can I just...
So this is what's going to happen.
I'll tell you right now. If you stop yelling at me, please.
We're not going to yell.
Please.
I said anymore. So, here.
Ryan.
I'm off with him, okay?
Okay, my anxiety, and it's not me, it's my boyfriend, and he left. I didn't know that.
Here we go.
Okay, no problem. We gotta double check that, okay?
I'm just telling you that because me and him have been getting arguments and everything. I did nothing wrong, I swear to God.
So why are we here?
I don't know, because I walked out, I think, without, like, they were to come with me, and I was like, I did nothing wrong. It was my boyfriend that did it, not me. I wasn't even next to him, he left me.
What did you do? What do you mean your boyfriend?
He took items. Merchandise.
Took items?
He took merchandise. I didn't do anything, I
Was
swear.
he inside the store?
He came inside to meet me, and then I was going to pay for it.
What's he wearing?
He's wearing... What is he wearing?
You lied to the police.
I swear to God, I'm not lying to you.
Yes, what's he wearing?
He's wearing a DeWalt sweatshirt with a Yankee hat.
What makes this one hit different is the suspect's visible anxiety. You can hear it in her voice. She's stressed. After getting information about her boyfriend, the police immediately made contact. Her story is noted, but no boyfriend is located. Anxiety ramps up.
Now, before I say the question, I need to know your rights, okay?
Am I
You're not under arrest. But I still want you to know your rights, right? So
I don't
you have
know.
the right to remain silent. Anything
Yes.
you say can and will be used against
Yes.
you for a law. There's a right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford trial lawyer
I
while
know.
you're pointing to
The opportunity 69080 is negative.
time to exercise his rights.
Comes back
But not
to,
answer any questions, make any statements.
You won't come from that Arizona.
Quick question for you. Quick question for you, man.
Truck.
What's he driving?
I don't know where he went.
What's he driving?
He's driving an SUV, a Honda SUV. I don't know where he went.
what?
A Honda SUV.
Are you sure about that?
How'd you get in here today? How'd you get
I came here
here?
with him.
Okay, what did you drive in with?
I did.
That's probably. Is that the first line?
And he did the first one.
On this point, he's driving.
No, that's what I'm trying to tell you. He came in here. I swear to God, I'm not lying. Trust me, I can't afford to get in trouble anymore.
What is he driving?
Okay, can you stop? I'm
keep
trying.
trying. I'm asking you a simple
he's
question.
Driving it. Well, me and him came in here, and then you home. Okay.
Thank you.
And then he was supposed to meet up with somebody, and that person drives a Honda SUV.
Alright, so let's do this. Let's put him back in the car.
It's gonna be a little warmer. It's gonna be warmer.
We'll go
Am I getting arrested?
We'll
You're detained
with
right now.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I swear to God, I
Okay.
don't. I'm not a...
This is the back of my hand, okay?
Just gonna double check. That's it.
Back of my
I
hand.
get it. Trust me, I've gotten in trouble with officers before. transport.
Oh, yeah?
That's what I'm saying.
Is your ID
Yes.
in here?
Everywhere.
Everywhere?
That's why I can't afford
Is
to
your
get.
ID in here?
No.
You have a,
We're gonna be
I don't.
back of the overflow lot. It's gonna be the last entrance. Where's your identification?
No.
Okay, this is focus. He got this coming. No, just asked him to forward.
let me
Yeah, I told him.
give us your proper information for the document.
What we're gonna do right now is my partner's gonna ask you for your information, your name, your date of birth. Listen,
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What's the website? What's your name?
It's just I have a warrant
is
to
that?
miss court. I missed court the other day, but my lawyer. It is a big deal because I've been arrested. I've been locked up for a year and a half. It is a big deal for me.
What's the warrant?
I don't know. It's just got away, but it's because I got locked up and I was in a program thing. Valerie
Valerie what?
Demoleas.
So how do you spell your name?
Demoleas.
And what's is your full name Valerie?
Yes,
Valerie. Do you have a middle initial?
it's A.
It's A. Where's your ID from? What's the name?
Here, New Jersey. I'm from Bergen County.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
5394.
And
It's just I
what's your
know I have a
social
warrant
security?
out of Piscataway because I saw
What's your
it.
social? Okay, and before we put this information over the radio, I give everyone one fair opportunity to let them know that if you are lying about your name,
I'm not lying.
I know, and I'm not saying you are. I'm just giving everyone one fair opportunity to not lie,
That's
because if
fine.
you are, to charge.
I understand that. I know that. I know
Could you spell your last name again for me,
that.
please?
Demoleas.
Okay. No
And I know you guys know my boyfriend because I
How do
know
you
he's
spell
wanted
Valerie?
out of Secaucus.
What's his last name?
Rivera.
What's his
Sounds
first name?
familiar. Danny
Rivera.
Riviera?
or Rivera.
Rivera.
Do you know his date of birth or his birthday?
1020. 1020.
1029 what?
1020. 19.
Is he your age?
No, he's 45.
He's 45. Oh, he's older. He's older.
What's Danny's birthday?
So that's 1029.
45
5 years old.
Yeah.
1020.
1020 is his birthday. I think his year is 1970 something.
Mike, do you want me to start going
I have a
Valerie
warrant
is
out of
Val-
Piscataway.
It's okay.
No, it's not. Okay,
No,
I
man, give
can't
me out.
afford
If you
to get in
sometimes
trouble
the warrant
anymore.
sometimes isn't always instant. Not only that,
And
if it's under a certain
I went to
number,
court
it's
for
just
it already.
paperwork.
It's just-
Okay.
I
So
can't
we just-
afford
If you're
this.
being cooperative with us, we will do everything very well.
I heard this before though.
But you haven't been arrested. Part of my
No.
Back to local prevention. Over there, so we're a little bit more calm, okay? Just so you know you're on body.
I know. What the man? I hate him.
Putting our information over the radio. Party by info. Got it. JBL. Yep.
Miranda is required before custodial interrogation. Her voluntary statements are admissible. The warrant, likely failure to appear or old charge, is confirmed via radio. That's why she's detained for transport regardless of the theft outcome. She stays cooperative, provides boyfriend's name and DOB, Danny Rivera, 45. Officers process scene, prepare for jail transport. No further resistance. Cooperation helps. No additional charges for obstruction, but active warrant means mandatory arrest. Theft may or may not be pursued depending on evidence/receipt. See you next video. Keep touching.